In 2022, a volcano erupted in Tonga, and 6 hours later, birds in Germany started flying in perfect spirals. Coincidence? The Hunga Tonga Hunga Hapai eruption sent shockwaves around the planet, literally. Scientists confirmed the pressure waves reached Europe, disrupting the ionosphere. Then came the bizarre. German ornithologists claimed migratory birds suddenly flew in geometric spirals, like their internal GPS got scrambled by the pressure wave. Real science meets suspicious spirals. Is this nature's weird echo or just bird-brained fiction? Love bending your brain? Follow now and never miss a mystery. Got a bizarre idea? Drop it in the comments.